One of the greatest challenges of a PulsePoint implementation is the lack of local AED location information. This could be a significant hurdle to overcome, especially in very large systems. Introducing PulsePoint AED. PulsePoint AED is a companion app that allows members of the community to help build and maintain a local AED registry for use with the PulsePoint app and local dispatch center. When a citizen or agency member sees an AED, they can use PulsePoint AED to check if the AED is already in the local registry. If it isn't, they can add it on the spot. PulsePoint AED builds awareness of AEDs and their locations throughout the community. The PulsePoint AED companion app initial view shows user and nearby AEDs, with the closest AED highlighted. The details in the drawer include the distance between the user and the AED, the type of AED, and any information pertinent to that specific AED. Here's how it works. A user adds a new AED into the PulsePoint AED companion app. The user enters a business, such as McDonald's. The user should also indicate a location, for example, on the wall. This information will now appear as a crowdsourced AED in this app. It will not appear in the PulsePoint app until it is agency reviewed and the data is edited. Once that is completed, the AED will then appear as an agency vetted AED in the PulsePoint app. There are three types of AEDs pertaining to PulsePoint. Agency vetted AEDs are in the PulsePoint app. Private AEDs are in a restricted access area, but are also in the PulsePoint app. A pending AED, which is not in PulsePoint, is crowdsourced and is waiting for agency review. Crowdsourced AEDs appear visually different than agency vetted AEDs. They are also shown as pending AEDs in the drawer. Crowdsourced AEDs that have not yet been reviewed by the local agency do not appear in the PulsePoint app or to the dispatcher. Basic navigation includes pan and zoom map, swipe right to left on drawer to move between nearby AEDs, touch AED to jump directly to it, GPS icon moves map to user, and tap to open drawer for more information on selected AED. Agency vetted AED detail indicates responsible agency for the PulsePoint production account. A photo can be added via the app. Tap on the photo for a larger image, and a photo can assist responders in quickly locating a nearby AED. Crowdsource AED details allow users to edit or delete AEDs that they have recorded until they're vetted. It allows for others to confirm that a crowdsourced AED is valid. Photos can also be added to a previously crowdsourced AED. Adding an AED. First, the user must confirm that the observed AED is not in the system. To add, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. First, enter a business or location name, then enter the AED location description. You can then add a photo, tap Edit Location button and precisely position the marker, tap Update Location button, and then tap Save. When moving from a current location and want to navigate a desired location, tap Search This Area button. This allows you to explore an area away from your current location. The menu button, which has an icon visible in the upper left corner, you can control a map mode. PulsePoint apps can launch each other. There's an ability for social media sharing, email feedback mechanism, and account profile. Sharing this app allows users to create app awareness among family and friends. message, mail, and social media through Twitter and Facebook. Pre-built messages can be edited before sharing and support for multiple accounts. Users must be known to add AEDs or photos or confirm locations. Users can log in using Facebook or Twitter accounts. User can view AED data without first logging in. They just can't modify the information.